Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the #1 opportunity discovering platform. We are back with another application guide video. In this application guide video, we bring you the UC Berkeley Free Online Courses 2021. This is an opportunity for everyone from anywhere around the world. This is a free online course you need an internet connection and a desire to learn. The University of California is offering 18 different courses free of cost. All courses are delivered in English. Along with this, additional support will be provided to any applicant in need. The need for social support can be approved 5 times a year. Financial support is offered to those who cannot pay for the certificate at the end of the course. The UC Berkeley is a public research institute established in 1868. It is a campus of 10 campuses of the University of California, and Berkeley has been deemed one of the best universities globally in terms of education. The eligibility criteria to be a part of this course: anyone belonging to any country, race, religion can apply for the UC Berkeley free online courses. Applicants must have the latest browser version. Applicant must have a strong internet connection and must have an interest in learning. Benefits of the UC Berkeley online courses: self-paced learning, no age limit, no gender restrictions, no physical presence needed, free of cost and flexible timings. Benefits of the verified certificate: achievement proof, qualification proof, increased job opportunities, addition in CV, and you will be considered a verified part of the organization. The available courses: you can check the list of available courses on our website and also on the UC Berkeley official website. To apply for these online courses, you have to click on the link given in the description section of this video, and after clicking on the link, you will be redirected to this page. You have to scroll down towards the application process section and click on Apply Now to start your application. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the edX website, where you can see the courses offered by UC Berkeley. There are different courses offered by UC Berkeley. You can select your desired course. And then you have to click on Get Started for free. You have to register for the course with your full name, your public username, your email address, a password. You have to select your country, and then you have to click on Create an account, or you can also register using your Apple account, your Facebook account, your Google account, or your Microsoft account. After registering your account, you just have to click on the desired date in which the course starts. Just click on the date. After registering your account, you just have to go back towards After registering your account, you have to just go back to your desired course and click on Enroll under your desired date. And then your course will start. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.